Hello there, Minister Kevin here with another unforgettable day. Today, I'm going to be showing you the quieter side of Fannin County, the charming little town of McCaysville, Georgia, that has two parks and a river in it that runs through both parks. So stay tuned as I give you some more information about McCaysville, Georgia, and places that you can get married at for free or cheap.
The Toccoa River. It runs all the way from Blue Ridge Lake all the way down to McCaysville, Georgia, and Copper Hill, Tennessee, and further on down to Tennessee toward Benton, Tennessee. Whether you're tubing, kayaking, or canoeing, it's the perfect waterway for adventure and serenity. If you've got your own gear and two cars, you can do it yourself by parking at the top of one of the parks and riding the waves down to the next and shuttling yourself back. If not, there are three tubing companies in McCaysville.
And of course, there's food. Let's talk about that. We just missed the train going back to Blue Ridge, but they come down here and bring passengers down. There's something for everybody's taste down here in McCaysville. There are 14 restaurants altogether, but I'm only going to tell you about 7 of those, about half, of places that I've ate and liked, which I've ate at all of them. You can decide for yourself. But places down here that are good to eat, once you get off the train, here's the IGA. They have little steps down. Down this way is Katz. Great place for dinner and breakfast, or lunch and breakfast, sorry about that. A little further down is Kenny's Pizza. Has some of the biggest Italian meatballs that you could ever find. Delicious. And stromboli, if you're into that. And pasta, pizzas, and a few other things. Also another pizza place, go out here, go up the road, back toward Blue Ridge, you have Papa's Pizza. Family owned, I know for a fact, for over 35 years, maybe 40, by the same family. Brian will take care of you there. He's a great guy. And on the back side, behind Kenny's, is Meraki Soup. Middle Eastern cuisine, very delicious. 2 people that run it, I grew up with them, love them. They're great people, Matthew and Jennifer. As for them. Now, going down straight, heading in the Copper Hill side, there's 2 Mexican restaurants, actually 3. Habaneros is the best. That's just what I think. Then there's the Copper Grill. Great place for some of the biggest hamburgers. They give you so many fries you can't eat them all. Great menu, great people, small little place. Also, the Cuban lady on the corner. Ask for Jay. He's a great motorcycle mechanic also. You'll want to talk to him. He'll take good care of you. So I think that's it. That's Katz, Kenny's, Meraki Sue, Papa's Pizza, Copper Grill, and the Cuban Lady, and Habaneros. There you go. 7 places to eat down here. There's 7 more you can try. Just whatever you like. McCaysville's got it. And it's a great place to get married at, too, for free or cheap.
But here's the heart of today's visit. These 2 beautiful parks. McCaysville City Park, and in a few, you'll see Horseshoe Bend Park. Both offer a peaceful riverside setting that are perfect for a free or low-cost wedding. McCaysville's Toccoa River Park, featured here, has 3 pavilions that you can rent for $30 for 3 hours or $75 for the whole day. And here, Horseshoe Bend Park, now operated by the Fannin County Recreation Department, has 2 absolutely gorgeous pavilions that can be rented for only $10 per hour. Both parks offer a great alternative to the pricey venues. So whether you're dreaming of a small ceremony with just a few loved ones or a micro wedding that's simple but meaningful, this could be your perfect spot. And here is a gem. The gazebo. It's right next to the river. So come for the river, stay for the food, enjoy browsing the many shops, and maybe say I do in McCaysville, because it's got everything that you need for a day full of memories or a lifetime that is beginning. So if you found this video interesting, entertaining, or informative, please like, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when new content comes about. And this is Kevin, reminding you that love doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be authentic.